Alright, so check it out. So we're going to go out here and we're going to prank Betty while she's using the garbage disposal. What are you doing? I'm just sitting on this invisible bench right here. Really? Can I join you? Sure, come on over. My friends, this video is all about the garbage disposal, specifically how to clean it to make sure it maintains its shredding significance. We're going to hit 3 birds with 1 stone here. We're going to talk about how to clean the garbage disposal, how to unclog the garbage disposal, and lastly, how to deodorize it. To clean the garbage disposal, it's important that you understand how it works first. A garbage disposal works a lot like a cheese grater. Allow me to demonstrate on my dry erase board here. So we have our sink right here, we have our faucet and our 2 little handles. Below that is the garbage disposal. Now, this is going to be a very zoomed in view of the garbage disposal, but you have a steel plate down below. And this plate spins around and around and around and around whenever you turn it on. Now, what's around the plate is really important. You have this, and it's got our shredders on it. So really, in a garbage disposal, what is referred to as blades really is a ring that has teeth-like shredders on it. So using centrifugal force, when this is spinning around and around, it shoots the waste off into the shredders, shredding the waste. So we're not blending anything up like the bottom of a blender. We are shredding just like a cheese grater. If I took a block of cheese, I rubbed it up against my blades, the small strings of cheese would come out the other side. So the waste is hitting the shredding teeth on the ring, and it's broken down into smaller, more manageable parts. So when I talk about cleaning the garbage disposal, what I'm referring to specifically is keeping those ring of teeth clean. What happens is over time, just from general use, fats and grease get caked on those teeth, creating a dulling effect. At that point, it doesn't work as well and it can clog, it can start to stink, etc. Okay, so clean, unclog, and deodorize. Let's get to it. To clean the garbage disposal, what you're going to do is take 2 cups of ice and 1 cup of vinegar. You're going to stick it down the garbage disposal, turn it on, and let it do its thing. One of the common myths about the garbage disposal is that by sticking ice down it, you're actually sharpening the blades. But really, when people refer to sharpening the blades, they're really just cleaning them, causing them to work properly again, which makes them seem like they're sharper. Ice will never sharpen steel. The ice just helps clean them. Now let's talk about unclogging the garbage disposal. One of the things I'm strongly against is mixing vinegar and baking soda together to clean with, because vinegar is an acid, baking soda is a base, so when you mix them together they cancel each other out, rendering you with an ineffective cleaning solution. Basically you're left with a bucket of salt water. But in this case, when you combine them, you can use the chemical reaction to your advantage in this circumstance. When the vinegar and the baking soda hit each other, they will create this bubbling lava effect, and that will help to unclog this garbage disposal. To make this happen, what you're going to do is take a half a cup of baking soda. You're going to stuff it down the garbage disposal, and then take 1 cup of vinegar, pour it down. Don't turn the garbage disposal on. You're just going to pour the vinegar down. It's going to hit that baking soda, creating that lava effect, and it's going to start to loosen up whatever's clogged. From that point, rinse it out, and you should be good to go. I should also add that if it's really, really clogged up, you might have to repeat that process 2 or 3 times. After you've cleaned and unclogged it, if it still smells a little funky, you can freshen it up and deodorize it by dropping you some citrus fruit down it. So take your pick, whatever you prefer. It can be orange, lime, lemon. Cut you up a few slices, drop it down the garbage disposal, turn it on, and you should be good to go. So implement the steps I've outlined in this video and take your disposal from sorry shredder to super shredder. Rah!